And right now, before the sun goes down, a lot of people are making their final preparations ahead of Idalia.
And that's right. Columbia County is going to be one of the first counties in our area to be impacted. Our Jessica Clark is on your side live tonight in Lake City. And Jess, power and fuel trucks already ready for the storm.
They are indeed, and it's an interesting dichotomy of what's happening here in Columbia County. We're here on Lake DeSoto, one of the big lakes in Lake City. People are out for their evening strolls, for their exercise routines, just taking a walk, a leisurely walk around the lake. And it's so calm out here. We haven't seen any rain, but just a couple miles out of the downtown area, earlier today we saw lots of power trucks getting ready, all lined up. And in addition to the power trucks on standby, there were fuel trucks ready on standby as well, because what's coming over Columbia County and Lake City, or is expected to come over, is something very large and a storm the size that a whole lot of people haven't seen here in decades. And the governor saying people are coming from around the country to help make sure that when the power does go off, that it will get back on fairly soon.
We've got people coming from southeastern states. We've got people coming from Nebraska, coming to Florida to be ready to go to restore power here in the state of Florida.
And we're just about 2 blocks away from downtown, the center of downtown. And really, we counted maybe 2 or 3 businesses with sandbags, but no other businesses we've seen have sheltered or put up any boards on their windows. It's interesting to see what will happen here, but I have been told that people definitely have been preparing their homes and getting ready for the loss of power. We're live in Lake City. Jessica Clark, First Coast News, on your side.